Hey, it's James the Weatherman here. How's everybody doing today? We are back with another live stream. Today is Tuesday the 26th. We have a tornado watch issued for central Iowa. This tornado watch affects Tuesday afternoon and evening from 1:20 p.m. until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Couple tornadoes possible, scattered damaging wind gusts to 70 miles per hour, and isolated large hail events to 1 inch in diameter possible. We've already had a few tornadoes already reported, but remember, tornado watch means conditions are favorable for tornadoes and severe thunderstorms in and close to the watch area. Persons in these areas should be on the lookout for threatening weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. We are then head straight to radar. Currently, we have a storm that's north of Des Moines. National Weather Service in Des Moines has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Webster County and central Iowa, northwestern Boone County and central Iowa until 3 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 2:25, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Ogden, or 7 miles west of Boone, moving north at 30 miles per hour. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas, southeastern Webster and northwestern Boone counties, including the following locations: Boxholm, Fraser, Pilot Mound, Dayton, and Stratford. This is in the Iowa area. If you are in this warning, take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows if you are outdoors in a mobile home or in a vehicle. Move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. If you are outdoors, we're going to go look at this one that is to the east of it. The National Weather Service in Des Moines has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Poweshiek County in central Iowa and southeastern Tomahawk County in central Iowa. At 2:22, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Belle Plaine, or 13 miles west of Marengo, moving north at 40 miles per hour. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of the northeastern Poweshiek and southeastern Tama counties, including the following locations: Chelsea, Alberton, Benning, and Clutter. If you are in this warning, take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows if you are outdoors in a mobile home or in a vehicle. Move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Both these tornado warnings are radar indicated. This one doesn't have much hail. The other one has quarter-size hail. How is everybody doing? There is a tornado watch, not a warning, until 8 p.m. The watch is mainly over central Iowa, where you see all these discrete cells and isolated thunderstorms that are moving their way north, and most of them have potential of becoming tornadic. If you guys say hi in the chat, I'll say hi back to you guys. Hello Harrison, hello Heather, hello Paul, hello Geek, how are you? Hey Sarah, hey Nighthawk, hey Goat, hey Bobby, hey Squishy. Hope everybody's doing good. Hey Connie. If you just tuned in, you don't know who I am. If you forgot me, Heather, I just said hi to you. If you just tuned in, make sure you hit that like button. If you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe. Hit that bell notification button. We are on the road to 2K subscribers. When we get to 2K, I'm gonna start more getting into the giveaway. If you haven't seen the giveaway video, look down in the description. The video is down below. Now, I will say $5 a ticket, 5 for 20. But if you're a subscriber and somebody says, hey, give this person a ticket, I'm buying it for this person, they can do that. And you can do that as well if you want to buy somebody else a ticket. It goes both ways. It is a weather station I am giving away. I will be mailing it to you when I draw the winner. I hope everybody is having an awesome Tuesday. Hello, Squishy. My dad should be here in a few moments, so I will have to mute stream for a few minutes. But currently we are in central Iowa. Hey Trackside, how are you? We are in Iowa. There has been a couple confirmed tornadoes in near Des Moines, to the west of Des Moines. Make sure you guys share this out on all your social medias. And, hey, Jill. I have a few things I have to do today. So, I'm going to probably be going off and then coming back off and on for a little bit. Dayton, Otho, Fort Dodge in Iowa. They update this warning. At 2:36, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 8 miles north of Ogden or 11 miles northwest of Boone, moving north at 30 miles per hour. This is radar indicated. Both tornado warnings. Both tornado warnings are radar indicated. We can head on over to GR2. Kind of switch this up. This is reflectivity in the left upper hand corner. Right upper hand corner is velocity. Right bottom hand corner is correlation coefficient. And the left bottom hand corner is the NROT. Rotation, basically. Yes, Harrison. There could be a few strong ones. Now, I'm not expecting any major tornadoes. Hi, Trick. We may have some debris signature. Yeah. Debris signature here. Green is usually, it's not necessarily like a debris, if you want to say a debris ball. Not necessarily. When this warning updates, I'm just waiting for a call from my dad. My dad's coming over for a second. He's got to pick something up. Currently, we are looking at Iowa's tornado watched area. I'm going to be pulling up the National Weather Service chat when I can. Like I said, I'm kind of waiting for my dad. By the way, some information. So, if you haven't joined our Discord, join our Discord tonight at around 8 p.m. in Discord, we are having a movie with the weatherman. It will be streamed in the Discord, and all you guys are welcome. If you just want to join the Discord just to watch a movie with me and then leave, you are more than welcome to as well. I hope you stay with us. Well, we're going to be watching a documentary on Mr. Tornado. So that is going to be tonight. So if you do come in, just join the general voice chat. And approximately when I get ready and when the stream ends, I will pull you down into the movie channel. Right now I'm focused on the Iowa area, but there's nothing going on in Dallas, so not too concerned. That is 8 Central Daylight Time. Hey, Ashley. Hey, Landon. So, just a reminder, I did an update to my chat. Streamlabs will not allow, I think, over 7 or 5 or 7 capitalization letters. It will time you out. Even if you're a mod, anybody will be timed out. I actually think I might even be timed out. Let's try. Can I get timed out out of my own chat? No, it won't let me. Yes, 8 Central Daylight Time. It is in the Discord. Hey, Way. I was gonna see if I get timed out of my own Discord. So join Discord. We'll be watching. If you don't have popcorn, grab something else. I don't have popcorn, but I have cake. I just made cake. So I will be. It's gonna be exciting. First movie night of. Yeah. Can't wait. Who wants to volunteer and see if Streamlabs is working? Hi, Stephanie. I don't care. Anybody can do it. You'll only be timed out for 100 seconds, so... Put 10 capitalized letters. We're testing out Streamlabs. Huh. Maybe it doesn't work on mods. Somebody that's not a mod, try it. Here, Landon. Okay. Let's see if, maybe Streamlabs doesn't work. I don't know. Or maybe I didn't save it. Okay, now try. One of you guys, just one try. There. Streamlabs got you all. Now mod, try it. A mod, try it. Did it time one of the mods out? No, it doesn't work on mods. Okay. Still, mods don't use caps. Yeah, quit using caps. And everybody that volunteered, thank you guys. In Webster City, Iowa, not in the warning, but there's a tornado warning about 20 miles away from me. It looks to be going towards Fort Dodge. Is that the one that we're looking at? Yes. This is the one we're looking at. This is going straight north. Are you in You're in Webster City. Over to the east of Fort Dodge. So, Cody, I would just stay weather aware. This storm is moving at approximately 30 miles per hour. So I'd just be aware that this storm is on its way. So, as we get closer, we'll have a better thought on what's going to happen. Right now, it looks like the inflow is being cut off. But that really doesn't mean anything because there is kind of a starting of a hook again. But rotation is pretty broad. I don't even know where my dad is. You look into your south, Cody? Is there tall clouds? Okay. Okay. By the way, I will upload a picture of my dog when she gets a haircut Thursday. I can't wait. Like, she's looking like Shaggy. So I really can't wait. Again, it's messed up. Okay. So right there on that notch right here. pretty broad rotation still. But we're still going to keep an eye on it. Well, haircut, grooming. You know what? I thought about asking the groomer to give me a haircut. Because haircuts nowadays, man. It's like, you already got the shaver out. Just shave my head. Get a 2-for-1. This is in Iowa, central Iowa. They expired that tornado warning. So now we're just sitting here without anything. No severe thunderstorms. This one, is in Iowa. This is GR2. Towards the end of the stream, I will be talking about tomorrow's weather. Right now, they have a 5% risk out, slight risk, or did they do have a slight or? No, they have an enhanced. Enhanced risk for Austin, Waco, Killeen, Round Rock, and Temple, Texas. But we'll talk more about that on the next update. Probably in a couple hours we'll actually talk about. Yeah, there's not much. So I'm going to actually switch over to WSV3. And I'm going to turn this off. These tornado warnings aren't, let me restart WSV3. I noticed WSV3 sometimes puts out or doesn't shut the warnings down right when they expire, but then I'm gonna call my dad and see where he's at. I'll be back. So I'm back. I called him and guess he's like lollygagging or something. I don't know. Yeah, if your sirens are going off, that means you're outside or. Is the warning up right now? There is no current warning. Did everybody get a notification that I was live? If you didn't get, so you did get a notification? If you didn't, I went live several times yesterday, so I used up all my notifications. I don't know if it counts as today or if I have to wait like 24 hours. But if I don't and you didn't get a notification, make sure you hit that bell. And that will notify you when I go live. How's everybody doing? It's good. Thank you, Harrison. I appreciate it. You're a cool guy as well. Thank you for tuning into my streams and stuff. We don't have a tornado warning. We don't have a severe thunderstorm warning currently. Colton. Hey, Silas. Yeah, we don't even have. I'm going to pull up the National Weather Service. Chat. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Yeah, it was pretty, Cody. It was pretty broad. How's everybody doing today? I think I probably already asked that, huh? So in a little bit, I will be leaving for a few. So there's been several tornadoes today to the west of Des Moines. There'll be some damaging winds as well. Yeah, so yeah, there was, as you see on the map here, it's a funnel cloud reported, And then one tornado was reported by law enforcement. The other one was reported by trained spotters. So we're kind of just keeping an eye. If you're in Iowa, just keeping an eye on this. If something strong picks up, we will be already on it. And all your warnings and watches are at the bottom of the screen. Yes, 2 tornadoes have. Your warning and your watches are all at the bottom of the screen. Right now it's saying in Iowa. So if anybody ever wants to know if there's been any confirmed tornadoes, I want you guys to go to SPC. Well, basically it's the Storm Prediction Center. I will show you on the screen. So you go here, and then you go to storm reports, or you could look down here at today's storm report trend, and you see 2 tornadoes and 2 hail. You can go to storm reports and click on the top one, and then you see 4 miles west of Waukee, a brief 10-second touchdown, and then 2 miles east-southeast of Dallas Center in Iowa. Police report tornado on the ground. So at any moment, any time, you guys can come to this site and see this. Connie, will you post the link? It's spc.noaa.gov. But anybody can go there, look at it. And go look at it, and all your questions will be answered there. You can look at day 2. You see the enhanced risk, but I'm watching that as we get closer, because that could be a little bit south, or it could be a little bit north from where they're putting it. So I want to be well aware of and be kind of on a better spot. I think the slight might be expanded just a little. We could actually go over to pivotal weather. And So this is tomorrow night. I think slight risk is going to be pulled up closer to Dallas. Yes. Closer to Dallas. And then I think the enhanced risk might be staying in the area as let's look at some shear. Let's see. Yeah, the enhanced risk might be put in or stayed in this area, maybe a little bit north. Look at the shear, 79 knots. The temperature isn't great. And this photograph isn't the greatest either. But you can see that upper shear is pretty strong. We got this photograph that is tornado possible. As you can see, we go up about 24 degrees at 30 knots as we wrap around the low to about 50 knots at 1 kilometer. So, and then this is 0 to 6 kilometer, and it's showing close to 80 knots. So we can for sure, I want to keep a pretty good eye on it. Let's see. Yeah, they have that significant tornado perimeter further south. But as we've seen, let's look at surface base. I would really be aware, like in the Houston, Austin area. I'd be careful. Let's see the winds at 850 millibars. It's about 3,000 feet up. About 30 knots. And as you go higher in that same area, it's above 50 knots. There's even a spot that I seen that was 61 knots. So this but it looks like the temperatures, according to the sounding, the temperatures are going to be right around 63 degrees and dew point around 61. So when you're looking at a sounding, it's really hard to like explain unless you like really watch videos, and it's hard to, I can't just be like this sounding is, or this photograph, and explain each line. So, but I can explain that this light blue line is usually the general area of a thunderstorm. So if we look at 20 degrees, if this was pulled up a little bit more, it'd be a better general photograph for a general thunderstorm. Doesn't have to be necessarily a severe thunderstorm. It's going to be a general thunderstorm. Now, if you got that shear, as you see, this green pops down to 40 to 50 knots, the shear, that's making it severe. Like I said, it's very hard to explain a photograph. A lot of people are like, they look at the sounding and they're like, oh, possible hazard type, severe, or if it says tornado. If you don't really, like, personally, I have studied photographs. So personally, myself, I can look at a photograph and exactly tell myself what it is, but there's a lot of people that right when they open a sounding, they go, oh, possible hazard type, severe. And it's very easy to find something that's really strong. All you got to do is go to significant tornado perimeter. Looking, this is in Mexico. They probably don't got soundings. Let's see. I'll find one. That's capped. Let's see. Wait. What are you guys doing? Dev, you know better. Oh, look at this sounding. The general thunderstorm doesn't have, it's very, very tiny. You'd have to really zoom in to see this. This photograph is a scuffed photograph. It says possible hazard tornado. This is a scuffed photograph. Scuffed, I mean inaccurate. They don't have enough evidence to show. And for one, this storm is capped. So wherever it is, it's capped. Is there enough energy in the atmosphere to break that? Likely. So to explain that the soundings, it's Dev, you know better than to do that. So please don't do that again, Dev. Same with you, Silas. You know not to. You guys been here forever. So we're just gonna keep an eye on this. Keep an eye on these storms for a couple hours. Even if there's no tornadoes, we will I'll keep an eye on them. But I need to run and go do a few things. So we'll keep this on this radar, and I will be back in a few. Okay, James Weatherman back here. We're still looking at the tornado watch that's issued for central Iowa. Not much going on. A few severe thunderstorm warnings down in Texas near San Antonio. These are isolated cells, and it may be producing some hail and some damaging winds. That's about it for these. So yeah, we're just watching all these storms move up. They're moving into the Minnesota area, so we're going to see how that goes. These storms to the I don't think it's going to be southeast Wisconsin. This storm we need to keep an eye on. Yeah, Ohio's good. So who's going to tune in tonight to the movie with a weatherman on Discord? You don't need we're watching Mr. Tornado. You don't need a mic because we're going to go from general voice chat to a chat that no one can talk in. It's just going to be the movie. So you don't need a mic. All you need is a computer screen or a screen to watch the documentary on. And that's it. And then after we'll probably be moved back. I'll probably move everybody back to general voice chat and we can talk in there. I think it is about an hour-ish long. So that will be in the YouTube Weather Center Discord. Yeah, I was gonna look at the. See. Wonder if they're gonna start. No, they probably won't, because there may be more storms developing. There may be more storms developing. Well, they might expire it south of I-80. Yeah, that's what I would do, is expire it south of I-80. Because by about 7 p.m., this will be right on northern Iowa into southern Minnesota. And they likely will issue a severe thunderstorm watch for that area. I'm pretty sure that's what they're gonna do. Because we still got roughly 30 knot southerly 850 millibar jet winds. That's right on the border. Let me see where I'm at. No, I'm not going to be talking. I'm going to be watching it with you guys. So there's southerly winds flowing in at around 30 knot. So as these storms, you can see them on radar as these storms move to the north. But I'm going to stay live for a little bit longer. All I gotta really do before the movie tonight is eat dinner. So there's flash flood warnings down in Florida. That's where that a lot of rain is coming off the Gulf into the Atlantic. Snowflake! Come in here. Sorry. Yes, Harrison? And if they issue a tornado watch tomorrow for southern central Texas, I guess I'll be going live again. Nothing to do right now due to job being still closed, but I will be for sure keeping an eye on it, because I think it's going to be, the enhanced risk is going to be shifted, or the slight risk is going to be shifted a little bit. he's coming over. And if you guys do ever look at weather models, and yeah, I don't care. If you do look at weather models, what's that about? Like, is it guy? No, it's the guy that made the F scale for tornadoes. You gotta watch it. It's a good. I don't want to spoil too much about it. But if you ever go on to like College of Do page or something to look at models, and you were looking at the GFS this morning, you may have got a giggle out of it. So I don't know how long you guys been like studying weather, but or liking weather, but a lot of people I'm sure know that GFS May and June likes to overreact on things. And I'm not saying it's not going to happen. I can pull it up. I'm not going to say it's not going to happen. But they sure do like overreacting on some things. So the likelihood of this happening is very low. Just saying. So we'll go 60 because this is this morning. Oops. Now don't laugh too hard. Yeah, don't laugh too hard. I'll try not to laugh too. The GFS, this is not a forecast. This is not saying anything. This is not even, I'm not even predicting this, right? GFS this morning predicted that 1,002 millibars is going to be headed into the Gulf off of Mexico, the southern Mexico, and it was going to reach potential speeds of, or potential wind speeds of a Cat 2. Now, this is not the first time that this has done that. Even this year, this is not the first. There was one that there's a couple weeks ago that they thought was gonna supposedly hit Texas, and that was actually supposed to happen last week. You see that? Yeah, I don't care about that. I'm talking about GFS. Don't always trust weather models, because this will throw you off guard. 100%. GFS was reporting like 3 weeks ago. It was reporting like last week, the beginning of last week, that there was going to be a strong Cat 3 hurricane on like May 14th? May 14th or May 15th. That was going to slam Texas, right? They didn't get anything. There wasn't even any tropical development. There was the wind shear wasn't even, nothing was. GFS in May and June, I don't know what they're on, but they're always wrong. And yes, there's some tropical stuff going on over Florida. Not too worried about it. It's like 20% chance that it's going to even do anything. I think I have a better chance on, I don't know, winning the lottery probably. I don't know. Like, so I'm not too worried about it. I'm not too worried about anything in the tropics right now. Or the Atlantic. I have been watching a storm that is actually coming off of, it's going to be in the northern Pacific. I am watching that storm, but that's headed right towards Canada and Alaska. And that could bring quite a bit of moisture to the west. So we can even look at, let's look at the, so yeah, it's going to be right here. It's going to bring, I think, quite a bit of moisture in northern Cal and Oregon and Washington. I can, and then later there's going to be another system that comes in. See if I can switch the, yeah, I'll just do, here's Invet. That's the one that went over Florida. That's not even, I'm not too worried about this. There's one spaghetti model saying as it become a tropical storm. Pretty much of a joke. A waste of time. But for sure stay weather aware, because weather, natural disasters, it changes. It's 2020. They've had stuff that we could never imagine that would happen weather-wise or anything in the United States right now. So I wouldn't let your guard off. Where is... So you see this area right here, it's going to bring moisture to the United States. And then there's gonna be a lowish kind of thing moving its way up the coast, northern California, Oregon, Washington. And then you got this weird, awkward low that comes out of the far northern northeast of Alaska. Very awkward low. And I think that's going to swoop down and bring some moisture into the moisture into the northern United States. Might even stay in Canada. Maybe. As you see, kind of connects with into here. And may bring some moisture into what's currently happening. There's a tornado watch for Iowa. But I'm just talking about GFS hyping up things. Because GFS likes doing that. I think the next best potential big tropical development would be I was looking, I think it was the 14th through the 20th over the Bermuda, like near Hamilton. That could see, but that is way out. That's looking way, way out. Snowflake! So, the jet stream, for sure, from coming off of the southern mid-Atlantic, is for sure strong. Or it's actually the northern mid-Atlantic, I think. No, somewhere down here. Coming off of Africa. Quite actually like middle of Africa and like Puerto Rico in the western area. Or the eastern area. But yeah, stay tuned to the National Hurricane Center for sure. You can even come on to Tropical Tibbets. And this Levi Cohen, he's a very, very smart guy. He can give you all info about hurricanes, tropical storms, any of that. If you want to see this, he does it all. Very smart guy. I actually go to this guy before I go to anybody. Because that's just... This guy's a very smart guy. And then he knows his oceans and... Yeah, Heather, we're not forecast. That is way too far out, and GFS is full of it. So we're not even... That's just a guess. It's a guess. Way too far out. You can only go up to 1,000. I think. I took you can do it 2,000. I took several classes of meteorology, and then I decided that I wanted to further my career in other things, and then I took more classes, and then I was like, I don't know, I think I'll just become a YouTube weatherman and do what I learned. I did not learn a lot about, like, hurricanes, but I know about severe weather. And I can, even in Discord, I can put some classes on there that you guys can take. Hey, birds. Here, I'll join too. Let me in. Oh, it didn't let me in. That's alright. After I gambled last night on the Gamble Bot thing, I don't think anybody's catching up to me in points. Hey, Bird. Oh, are you? Cool. That's long schooling. And you know what I might do with points? No. I was thinking I should reset them all. So you guys all. But no, I'm not going to reset points. I did say hi, birds. If you were here last night, I gambled like 75,000. Oh, by the way, birds, Streamlabs doesn't like caps anymore, so yeah. $100, you'll be back. So we're just waiting. We're on a tornado watch that's in Texas, or not Texas, Iowa, central Iowa. And we're just waiting, and I guess the next hour or so I'll figure out what do the same thing as you do with Heist, just put gamble. Like, probably gonna lose. Oh, look at that. I think you can only go up to 50, maybe 70. If you just gambled all your life or all your points. Bird, I said hi to you. Streamlabs got you. Jonathan, do 50,000. And I wish you luck. Good luck, Jonathan. No, Oh, there's the ice cream man. I don't know why it's not working, Jonathan. Try lower or something. Bird, I'm not gonna show those messages because you'll get timed out again. Streamlabs is mean today. It's not letting Jonathan gamble. Are you doing something wrong? Oh, there you go. Nice, you won. Oh, Bird Streamlab got you. No, he doesn't like caps. Don't spam caps. I'll go for the win. I don't know how many you can. Yes, Harrison? Streamlabs bot doesn't like me. Hey, Ashley. Yeah, I might do some hurricane tropical storms when it's like gets close to land. No. I likely will only probably do major hurricanes. Oh, look, I lost all my points. You're going to get timed out again because of caps. See? Streamlabs got you again. Yeah, hurricane season is almost here. Right? I was hoping more development would happen. We, off and on. But it's not looking like too much of a problem right now. You got a strong thunderstorm. Yeah, that's why invest it's a place file. And I'm on GR2, not GR3, but it's a place file on both. That's why I'm waiting, Connie, that's why I'm waiting for, my dog usually, like, barks at, like, leaves that are blowing by. Severe weather. B Crossing, that's where that tornado watch is issued, and off and on I'm seeing some strong storms. We're currently in central Iowa. We are currently in central Iowa. Well, have fun. Let's look at... she's doing alright. She barking at something. I don't know. Southeast Iowa, I think you're pretty good now. um Yeah, they haven't even put out. It's looking like these storms are gonna. BC, you're good. B crossing, you're should be in the clear. So, I might make a video tonight about severe weather for tomorrow. So keep an eye out for that, because they have an enhanced risk out. So after the movie time in Discord, I likely will make a video. So make sure you hit that bell, and if I don't make it tonight, I'm going to make it pretty early in the morning. I think I'm going to make it tonight, though. I think. Probably gonna eat and then get ready for movie. I hope you guys all join. I'll be in Discord at 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time. I will actually, let me look at something. I will actually go into Discord, into general voice chat. I don't know what happened to Streamlabs. For a little bit, and then I think I'm gonna back out. If any of you guys have questions that's in the chat right now that want to talk to me, go to my Discord, go to general voice chat. If I see people in there, I will join. If I don't see anybody in there, then I'm gonna go eat, and I will see you guys in there at 8. Okay. So they might issue a severe thunderstorm watch for southern Minnesota. I don't know. These storms aren't really they may be strong at one point and then weaken. But head on over to Discord. Streamlabs just put the Discord link in there. And remember, Movie with a Weatherman is tonight. First time ever on YouTube Weather Center Discord. And if we have a good outcome, we'll be doing it more. And then you can just put suggestions on movies in there as well. I think I'm gonna try to see if I can do one Twister. Movie Twister. So it's gonna be fun. So hope everybody has a good day. Stay weather aware. Let me make sure. So these storms are in northern Iowa. There's a few discrete cells that are going to pop up down here. Over here. Well, there you go. Join the Discord now. Go into general voice chat. If I see people in there, I will join. If not, I'm going to go eat. And I will see you guys in there before the movie. We'll all watch a movie together. I hope you guys have a very good Tuesday. Remember, I'm James the Weatherman. If you haven't liked, subscribed, and hit the bell notification, please do so. And stay weather aware.